Stop paying for AI video generators. Seriously. If you are sick of seeing 0 credits remaining or waiting on expensive waitlists for tools like Sora 2 or Veo, this video is exactly what you need. I've tested dozens of tools and found 6 hidden gems that are 100% free and unlimited. We aren't just talking about basic clips here. We are unlocking cinematic 4K quality, native sound generation, long-form videos, and yes, even a secret way to access the Sora 2 model for free without spending a single penny. If you are ready to save money and upgrade your workflow, smash that like button and subscribe right now so you never miss the next big AI update. Share this video with a creator friend to save their wallet too, and comment "free AI" down below if you're ready to start creating. Put your credit card away because we are diving straight into the first tool. Welcome. The first free AI video generator on our list today is Qwen AI. Qwen AI is a free and unlimited AI video generator that is truly impressive when it comes to volume and capability. Even though it is free, the quality is superb. When you visit Qwen AI, it might look like your standard ChatGPT or Gemini interface where you simply ask questions. However, while it functions as a chatbot, it can also generate images, edit images, and most importantly, generate videos. Today, our main focus is on how to generate unlimited free AI videos. First, click on Video Generation. You need to make sure you are signed in. If you aren't, simply sign in with your Google account. I've already done that, which is why I'm seeing this interface. If you don't sign in, you won't be able to generate videos. Qwen AI just added a fantastic new feature, Image to Video, allowing you to upload an image to generate a video. This wasn't available initially, but now that it is, we're going to try it out. But first, let's generate a video using just a text prompt. Before we start, I need to select my resolution and aspect ratio. You can choose from 1:1, 3:4, 4:3, 16:9, or 9:16. Since this video is purposely for a YouTube long-form video, I'm going to stick with 16:9. I have prepared a couple of prompts here, which, as usual, I will leave in the pinned comment or description for you to follow along. I'll copy my first prompt and input it into the description box. Qwen AI will immediately start generating the video. Let's give it a moment. All right, the video is done generating. Let's check out the result.
Let's create amazing videos today. Let's create amazing videos today.
That looks great. I'll go ahead and download it. Now let's try the new feature. I'm going to upload an image to generate a video. I'll select this image, get my prompt ready, and hit Generate. One of the best things about Qwen AI is that it creates videos without any watermarks. There is no pricing page, and it is 100% free and unlimited. Let's check the result.
Have you subscribed yet?
Did you hear that? Have you subscribed yet? Please kindly subscribe. Finally, let's say you want to create a scene with no dialogue, like a beach or a forest with natural ambience. You need to give it a specific prompt for that. I have one here. This prompt ensures no people are shown, just natural ambience. I'll input this last prompt into Qwen AI. Okay, the video is done. I asked for a beach scene, and look at how beautiful this is. Now, let's move to our second tool. The next tool on our list is Grok AI. Grok is a powerful AI generation platform owned by Elon Musk. While the interface looks as simple as ChatGPT, it creates exceptional images and videos. If you click on the Imagine tab, you'll see a gallery of images and videos generated by the community. Today we're focusing on video. I'll toggle on the video mode. You can select your aspect ratio here as well. I'll stick with 16:9. I have a prompt prepared. I'll copy it, Paste it here and hit Generate Video. Grok AI will start the process. Let's give it a moment.
Bigid will teach you how to create something cinematic.
Okay, the video is done. As you can see, it also generated a few variations based on the prompt. Now, what if you want to use a specific image to generate a video? That is also possible. I'll go back to Imagine, but first, here's a crucial step. You must go to your profile icon at the bottom and click Settings. Go to the Behavior tab and make sure you toggle off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This ensures it doesn't auto-generate a video the moment you upload a file, giving you control to add a prompt first. I'll go back and upload my image. Once uploaded, I'll copy my specific prompt, input it into the text box, and it will start generating. Let's wait for it.
Please subscribe to Big Wiz Media.
It delivered exactly what I asked for. Just so you know, I have a full tutorial on Grok AI covering a workflow to generate full stories, 1 to 3 minutes long. You can check that out after this video. Let's move to the next tool. The next tool is Meta AI, the Mark Zuckerberg-owned AI video generator. It produces high-quality images and videos. I also have a full workflow video on this tool for creating long-form content, so be sure to check that out later. I'll grab my prompt and paste it in the section here. Since Meta AI creates both images and videos, here's a pro tip. Always add the cinematic 4K or 8K video to the end of your prompt. This tells the AI to generate a video immediately, rather than generating an image that you have to animate later. I'll click Generate Video. Let's see. All right, the video is done, and it gave us exactly what we asked for. Now, one great feature of Meta AI is that you can add music, extend the video length, since the default is 5 seconds, or restyle it. Let's try restyling this to a glowy, evil switch style. The restyle is done. It completely changed the scene and mood. There are many styles to choose from, like 3D and more. Since I have a dedicated tutorial on this, let's skip ahead to the next tool. The next tool is ChatGLM, chatglm.cn. This is a Chinese-based free AI generator. Now, don't get scared away because the interface is in Chinese. This tool is extremely powerful, and I'll show you how to use it. If you're on Windows, simply right-click and select Translate to English. If you're on a phone or tablet, click the 3 dots in the browser menu and toggle on Translate. The entire page will be translated for you. Check the right-hand corner for AI generation. Note that you will need to log in with a phone number. You can use your personal number or a disposable one. I'll leave a link in the comments to a service that provides free temporary numbers for this. I've successfully logged in. What I love about this tool is that you simply add a first frame, image, give it a prompt, and it generates. I'll upload this image using the original resolution. You can add an end frame if you want, but I'll skip that. I'll paste my prompt and hit Send. The video is done. Now, you might notice there is no sound. Here's the secret to keeping this free and unlimited. You must turn off the sound effects toggle. If you turn sound on, or if you select 10 seconds, you will hit a limit. To generate unlimited videos, select 5 seconds and keep the sound effects off. Also, regarding resolution, 720p generates much faster than 1080p. All of these options remain free until you select 4K or 60 frames per second, which are paid features. Now, let's move to my favorite tool on this list. Welcome to MindVideo. I mentioned earlier that you should stop paying for Sora 2, and this tool is the reason why. MindVideo gives you access to the Sora 2 video generation model for free. Go to Text to Video. You'll need to sign in with your Google account first. Once signed in, click the drop-down menu. You will see a massive list of AI tools available here like Luma, Ray, Vidu, Kling, Minimax, and Pika. Most of these cost credits. However, look for Sora 2 Free Beta. This option creates videos using OpenAI's technology with no credit cost. It is free and unlimited. Let's try it. I'll give it a simple prompt: cars in neon futuristic city in China. I'll select my aspect ratio and hit Create. It will start generating without charging a single penny.
再加速2成，我们得抢在灯变红前过桥。
明白，航已重新规划，前方300米右转。
Look at that quality! To prove this is actually using Sora 2 technology, I'm going to use a famous prompt, the Sora 2 cameo style. I'll type, @JakePaul riding a bicycle in London. Unless you want to keep the video private, which costs money, leave the settings as they are and click Generate. Cameo video is done. Let's check it out.
Here in London, let's take the bike through the city. Streets are wet, air's cool, but the vibe's perfect. Cardio and sightseeing at the same time. Can't beat it. Tower Bridge up ahead. Let's cruise. Solid ride. London, you always show out. Catch you on the next one. Out here in London.
Incredible! Now, let's move to our final massive tool. The last tool is MovieFlow. This website lets you do a lot, including using a powerful AI agent to generate a video from a single prompt. It also has an inspiration lab to use preset styles. I'm going to use the agent mode. I'll grab my prompt. This one creates a story. And input it here. With MovieFlow, you can generate videos up to 6 minutes long. However, the 6-minute option is paid. The 2-minute option is completely free. Once everything is set, I'll click Generate. The AI agent will start building the video. To see the progress, click on Your Portfolio. As you can see, it's generating right here. Just give it a moment to finish.